US and India lead global silver markets with growing demand from investors. Silver eyes $50 mark with Federal Reserve policy and tariffs key to reaching highs. So after the holiday slowdown, demand in the metals market, including silver, surged. Right? Usually you wouldn't see that, but silver is getting its roots into the market where it's not just little one-off things to push the price up for a little false breakout and then go back down. Now we don't need those things, and I've always been saying that silver will take on a life of its own, regardless of what stock market volatility is doing, regardless of the dollar index, regardless of what this is doing or that is doing. Silver is going to do what it does, even regardless of what gold's doing, because silver has specific uses beyond these other assets and these other situations. And I've always said I hate that S word, and that's because the speculative aspect has been dampened on silver is what used to keep the price in this illusional or delusional price range. But now we're seeing natural price start to come to light, and that's always what I've said what would happen. And I've been right so far. Been saying since 2019 this silver will hit triple digits, or quote unquote explode, whatever you want that to mean, just meaning break out by the year 2025, 2026. I've been saying these 2 years since 2019, and my reasoning was exactly why. Because the fundamentals will come out. Price suppression will not be able to survive when silver is needed at this high of a level, with the production slowing down and demand booming, and just silver's critical role as an element on the periodic table, the most highly conductive metal for thermal conductivity, electricity, and light sensitivity. Nothing can slow that down. There's nothing that can replace silver, only needed more of it. And as new applications come out, like these new Samsung batteries that have twice the charging speed and have 9 times the longevity or whatever, these things are being implemented on a mass scale. UK now, all their roofs are solar. Silver's being needed more and more. AI chips. We are at a point where silver's critical role is inevitably going to outstrip any type of price suppression, Western price suppression. And that's where we are. And that's why I've been saying by the year 2025, 2026, and it's looking like I'm right, because if silver breaks past $44, folks, which it is, I mean, we're on the way to 50. And if we break 50, $100 is shortly after. Will it stay at 100? Probably not. It'll be extreme overbought territory. Your mom, your cousin, your friend, your neighbor, the squirrel down the road, everyone's going to be trying to get their hands on silver, and it's going to shoot up, then it's going to pull back, which it needs to if we want it to stay higher, and it's going to gradually go back upwards.